I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really elegant yet simple vase that'd be perfect for a wedding decor or an elegant party. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's just long enough that I can lay it into my mini Bowdabra and tuck the ends underneath so they just stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my rhinestone mesh, and basically we took an 8-row rhinestone mesh and we cut it down to 5 rows. So, or maybe it was a 10-row, but the mesh comes in rows, and so you can just cut the rhinestones off as you go. So the first thing I'm going to do here is take my rhinestone mesh, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to take the right side of the shiny side of my mesh and lay that down into the Bowdabra. And I'm just going to fold this back over and lay that down. So I'm making one loop on that side, the tail's going down, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side with my tails going down. And actually I want to make that a little bit bigger. So now I have my ribbon, and so I'm just going to take my bow wire, bring it up, pull it through my slip knot, pull it out of the Bowdabra, separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to now just tie a knot, and we will double knot it. And I'll clip the ends of my wire. And then I'm going to take my piece of mesh that we cut smaller, and I'm just going to take it and put a dot there and just bring it around and attach it here. So now we have our mesh covered. And then what I'm going to do is bring this around this way and this around this way. And then, oh, looks like I need to get another dot here. There we go. So that looks really finished and pretty. And then I'll put this aside, and we'll go to the front camera. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is take my vase, and I've got a piece of the mesh, and basically what I did was line this mesh up along the top of the vase, and I just clipped a little piece off. And then now I'm going to bring it around, and what this is going to do, and again I'll take the Zot. I like the Zots because they're very strong. I get the heavy duty ones, and they sell them at most craft stores. So I'm just going to bring that around and attach it right here. You can see how I've just attached it right there. And then I'm going to take one more Zot, and I'm going to attach my bow right here to cover the bottom of it. So that looks so pretty, and it's so simple. And the reason that we do the curve around is because now it turns it into a centerpiece, because it's elegant on each side. And I'm just going to put some river rock in here, and you could put, I just want enough river rock in order to be able to cover the bottom of my vase. So we'll just put a little bit more in there. My hands aren't that big, so it's kind of hard to grab all of them at once, but can see all I'm doing is just putting them in here. And then I'm just going to take my Cymbidium Orchid and lay that in there. And how super simple, in just seconds you have this great centerpiece that's so super simple to make. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. We'll see you in the next video.